Hello, this is Tim. I got one more thing to say. Well, it's official. Donald Trump's not coming here to Iowa. Plan worked. And made it clear that I was going to point out that this June 14th, waking up to a rainstorm, kind of opposite of 993, which, well, Christopher Walken gave that identity in Natalie Wood. 993, 999/3 would be brainstorm. Well, what if Christopher Walken had the opposite? 6663, that'd be rainstorm. You saw me wear my yellow rain slicker and my yellow rain hat. I wore it on the morning of Donald Trump's birthday on June 14th this year. You're asking me, was wearing that yellow slicker. And found out, yep, it was on June 14th. That's Donald Trump's birthday. Well, his hat birthday, showing he's not welcome here in Iowa. I'll tell everyone, thank you for kicking out Satan, Donald Trump. I'll just say, you cause us many storms and many rainstorms. Well, not here. Well, I'll tell you that you're going to moderate a debate here. Take your business elsewhere. In fact, you could leave the country, or either that or go to hell. Nobody wants any money from you. Nobody wants anything to do with you. I'm going to say one more thing. Donald Trump, you're fired. So, Mr. Rainstorm, take your business elsewhere. Because 666 over 993 is Rainstorm. 999 over 666 is Brainstorm. I would say follow the date of April 9th this year. Around a lot of people in brainstorming, so, which I've shown, and use the brainstorm. Don't use the rainstorm. And Donald Trump, no more. Goodbye. And for everyone else, you support Newt Gingrich, Mitt Romney, or Rick Santorum, Ron Paul, even Rick Perry, but don't support Michelle Bachmann or Palin or Donald Trump. So, thank you, good night, and one more time, Mr. Rainstorm, Donald Trump, you're fired. Let there be snow this Christmas. Happy Hanukkah.